how to check your credit balance on the iconic. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how you can check your credit balance on the iconic. This video will be quick and easy, so ensure to sit back and watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your iconic account, and then on the iconic account on the website you can check out different products that you can get on this site. Now you can easily check or view your credit balance credit balance under the store credit section in your iconic account. And how can you locate this? Once you're logged in, move to the top part of the screen where you can see different categories, and then at the top part of the screen you can see contact and fax, delivery, return, etc. By the time you move to the right side where you can see your profile icon, next to it you see your wish list and then your shopping bag. Just go ahead and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon in the box displayed, scroll down and then click on press store credits. Okay, store credits is found below returns and above notifications. So just click on your store credit that way in order to view your account, your credit balance. So if you've used your iconic account for a while to get different kind of products, you will definitely see your store credits your credit balance being displayed here. You can see the option which says total store credit, right? Sorry about this. Total store credit. So here you see all of your credit balance being displayed in there. All right. But for me, it is showing no balance because I have not used my iconic account for a while, and then I don't have any credit balance whatsoever. But after clicking on store credit section and you're brought to this page, you see all of your credit balance being displayed here. So this is how it works. This is how you can check your credit balance on the iconic. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.